So next we have the categories. So fishes can be classified into several categories based on their food preferences. The main ones include herbivorous fish, carnivorous fish, and omnivorous fish. However, they can be further divided into four more, which is the detritivorous fish, insectivorous fish, planktivorous fish, and piscivorous fish. So herbivorous fish primarily feed on plants and algae. Examples include grass carp, tilapia, and some species of catfish. For the example that we have given in the picture, we have the uh, carp, which is the Cyprinus carpio. Next, we have the carnivorous fish, which primarily feed on other fish or invertebrates. Examples can include salmon, trout, and some species of tuna. For the carnivorous fish, we have the Lutjanus species or the red snapper. So for the omnivorous fish, these feed on both plant and animal-based foods. The examples are carp, catfish, and some species of tilapia. So for this picture, we have the Clarias species. All examples given here are the most commonly cultured fishes in the Philippines. So next we have the detritivorous fish. These feed on decaying organic matter such as dead plants or animal waste. Some examples include species of carp and catfish. So again, we have the Cyprinus carpio. And then for the insectivorous fish, as the name suggests, it feeds on insects such as mosquitoes, flies, and ants. Examples include some species of tilapia, carp, and catfish. So for the example given, we have the Oreochromis niloticus, which is the Nile tilapia. Next, we have planktivorous fish that feed on plankton such as tiny crustaceans, larvae, and other small organisms. This includes some species of tilapia, carp, and catfish. But for the example, we have the milkfish or the chanos chanos. We also have the piscivorous fish that feed primarily on other fish. The example we have given is the Epinephelus species or the grouper. It is important to understand the food preference of fish because it can have implications for their culture and management. For example, in aquaculture, different species may require different types of feeds, which can impact the growth and health. Understanding the food preference of fish can also help in managing fisheries and maintaining ecological balance in aquatic environments. It is also noteworthy that the nutritional requirements of fish can vary with different species, sizes, growth stages, and feeding habits. For example, carnivorous fish require higher intake of protein and fat than omnivorous and herbivorous species, while marine fish require more protein and fat than freshwater fish do. For this reason, fish feed should be specifically chosen to suit different species. So next we have the table of nutritional requirements for common cultured fish. As you can observe, there are different types of fish in this table that have different protein requirements, fat requirements, and have specific feeds that is suitable for them. Carnivorous fish having higher protein requirement as well as fat requirement compared to herbivorous fish and omnivorous fish.